select Spike Prime. Now we're in the Spike Prime hub. Let's create a new project. We'll call it Driving Forward. Then, select the format as Word blocks and create the project. Now, I'm just maximizing the blocks. To get started, let's go to the movement category and drag out the block called Set Movement Motors. My motors are in A, so that's what I'll set it to. Next, let's drag out the block labeled Set Movement Speed. I want to drive fairly fast, so I'll set my speed to 75%. Finally, let's drag out the Move block. I want to drive forward only 5 centimeters, so that's what I'll do. Now we're done with the code to drive forward. Next, we'll look at the code to drive backward.